4 legit ways to make money online from home or anywhere in the world you prefer to be. The first one is more traditional, earning up to $20 an hour for the hours and the work that you put in. And the other 3 are more modern, where you do the work and then you can make money in your sleep. So you can sign up with appen.com to become an agent and take part in research projects online. You can become a YouTube partner, earning revenue on ads. You can set up a Redbubble web shop, all for free, to earn money from sales. And you can set up affiliate marketing, earning commissions on sales. Hey, and why do you want to do this? What do you want to get away from, and what do you want to achieve? So dive into appen.com, see the sign down here, appen.com. Apply to appen.com to become an agent, to take part in research projects online. They will then send you invitations to different projects. You could research or read about the projects and then make up your mind if you want to apply for a project or not. In this case, you can earn up to $20 an hour from home. And the projects could be like 10 hours a week for a longer or shorter period of time, or even more. In this case, you get paid for the actual hours that you put in. Smash like if this is giving you value. Another legit way to make money online is to become a YouTube partner. So in that case, you set up a YouTube channel, just like this one, in a specific area, competence or passion of yours. You start growing your channel by creating videos, posting them, and building an audience. Once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply to become a YouTube partner. Then YouTube will place ads on your videos and you get a share of the ad revenue. So in a sense, you're doing the work on your YouTube channel and then you can make money in your sleep. And you can create a web shop with, for example, Redbubble. There are loads of platforms to choose from. I've chosen Redbubble. Redbubble already has the products uploaded. All you do is create designs and upload to the products, like caps, t-shirts, pillows, shower curtains, or whatever you like. The work that you do is that you create the designs, sayings, or just words, follow trends, and put them onto the products in Redbubble. Redbubble will do the marketing for you. And if you stay on top of trends, searching Google, YouTube, and Redbubble, you could be there on top of everything and having Redbubble put your products in front of people, and hopefully they will buy. And once they do, you get a one-time commission on every single purchase. This is also some work to do, but then again, once it's done, you can earn money in your sleep. Hey, smash like if you haven't done that yet, if this is giving you value. And you can also set up affiliate marketing, completely legit as well. So what you do now is that you head out on the internet, you find products and services that you like and that you'd like to market. Apply for their affiliate programs, grab affiliate links and post those links on your social media channels, on your website, and in the descriptions of your videos. Your audience will then hopefully click your links and buy off of your links. And every time it happens, you get a commission. This commission could be a one-time commission, maybe a higher one, like for example, 6-Figure Mentors, which I'm an affiliate for, which provides you free training down below if you click that link. Or maybe like my affiliate link with TubeBuddy, which is not a one-time commission, but a recurring commission. Usually a lot lower, but recurring, meaning that you get paid every month for as long as that customer is subscribing to that software or product. High commissions could be between $100 and $1,000. Lower commissions could be anything from like 50 cents or 90 cents, but recurring usually. So depending on the affiliate programs that you join, you could have a mixture of both high and low commission affiliate links. So again, if you want to create designs for your Redbubble web shop, click Canva down below so you can create those designs with Canva. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, click TubeBuddy down below so that you get an awesome tool for SEO research, etc. And if you want to get trained in affiliate marketing and e-commerce, click the free course down below as well. Next, watch these videos about affiliate marketing. All the best, good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.